So again, this is the bug shield, the lighted stone guard for the hood from American Modified. So it's here in a plastic bag. And okay, so it seems to be a smoother plastic. It does have a little bit of flex in it. It's lightweight. You have your 3 lights, you got your connections. Inside the box, we have a little bag with our 3M tape, the harness that is going to connect to the 3 lights. Some, I would presume this is adhesive promoter. Even though the hood appears clean, I will be using a microfiber towel and some Windex to clean off the spot where I will be applying the bug shield. We figured out dead center, and we put this in place, and we put guide pieces of tape on both sides. This half-hearted piece of tape is just to kind of give me an idea of where the top of the hood deflector is, so that when I apply the adhesion promoter, I'm going to just use that as a slight guideline. You're going to put it all the way around wherever the tape is in contact. Now I'm going to use my own adhesion promoter because I use it more often. I have a bottle. And you can use one of the pads that they give you in the kit. So here we go. It's all just along the edge. Let it dry momentarily, and at that point you'll be able to place your hood deflector on. Now it's time to set the hood deflector. What I've done is I've pulled the red cover of the 2-sided tape up and folded it over so that we can peel it back. I find it's easier to use a pair of tweezers to help me pull it back. So let's go ahead, put this in place, and make this a reality. Everything is good so far. I was able to peel, as I showed you, the tape off the 2-sided tape, the cover tape. We were able to get it pressed into place. It's staying in place nicely. So now what we've got to do is we've got to flip the hood open, and we got to start routing the cable. This is where the harness comes out. I've come down underneath the seal through here. Forgot to put shrink tape on there, so I just kind of covered it up with a little bit of electrical tape. And what we've done is fished it all the way down the hood, hole by hole, and finally came down through here. And we've went and put the wire through a wire clip here. It's shrink wrapped as well, and there's a wire clip back here as well. I come in through the wire loom, come down, and I attach it to that yellow wire. It's yellow with an orange tracer. That is for auxiliary switch number 6. So all we did was butt splice it to there, and over here we connect the ground over here, turn on auxiliary switch number 6, and we have light. So again,